This is the GSB 162.2 RE Professional from Bosch. It's powerful in every application, even diamond dry drilling. The 1500 watt high-performance motor has enough power reserves even for diamond dry drilling up to 162 millimeters. The optimum speed in non-impact drilling ensures fast work progress. The overload clutch ensures a high level of work safety in especially tough applications. The restart protection prevents the tool from automatically restarting after a power cut. For you, this means greater user protection. Experience for yourself the GSB 162.2 RE Professional from Bosch. Powerful in every application, even diamond dry drilling.